why is my GetComponentInChildren or parent not working? Okay, so as it is like this, I'm just getting the ComponentInChildren sprite render, and the sprite render is right here. Okay, testing, it finds the sprite render. Okay, something to check here. If the component is disabled, it still finds the components. Okay, what it doesn't work is if the object is disabled, the game object. You get a null, unless you set it here to true. Then it will work. Okay, let's go to the definition. You can see that it has a parameter that is hidden because it's false as default, and it is about including inactive game objects. So if this haven't yet, it might bite you in the ass at some point. It is the exact same for parent. Okay, I changed the object here into this prefab. There's nothing here, and we have this to find here, and it is an active game object. Okay, in checking the code here, I'm just calling the GetComponentInChildren from the prefab. This is also something that is quite important. It's that you need to check who is calling the GetComponentInChildren. This way, it means the prefab is calling the getComponent. This way, it is this transform that is calling it. So the transform that the GetComponentInChildren n is attached to. Okay, this one will not find anything because there's nothing. Okay, so let's see what happens. And it does find that you find game object. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching.